Hello friends, welcome to Russian Icebreakers channel. I'm Seva, and in this video we're gonna talk about some difficult letters in Russian. You have probably already watched our video about alphabet. If you haven't, please check the link down below. So, let's take a look at the first one. The letters zh, sh, and sh. A lot of people confuse these sounds, especially sh and sh. I'm gonna give you a few examples and you will be able to hear the difference very clearly, because to any native Russian speaker, these sounds are very different. So, the first one is zh. It's a relatively easy sound. You can see a few examples here. Zhe, zhi, zha. Zhenya, a common name in Russia. Жизнь, life. Жара, heat. The next confusing sound is sh. This sound is very similar to the combination of letters S and H in English. When we say shopping, that's very similar. Here are a few examples with this confusing sound. Шепот, whisper. Шинель, an overcoat. Шапка, a winter hat. The next confusing sound is sh. This sound to many English speakers, and not only English speakers, sound very similar to the letter sh. Sh, sh. To any Russian speaker, they are very different. Listen carefully and you will hear the difference too. Sha, sha. Шо, що. Ши, щі. Let's take a look at a few examples. Чаща, thicket. Щека, cheek. Щука, pikefish. Now let's look at a couple of words where we have both sh and sh. Шелк, щелк. Борщ, борщ. Now let's look at the letter U. It's one of the most challenging letters in Russian because it exists in very few languages. So this sound U, a lot of people say that it's a little like imagine somebody punches you in the stomach. I hope nobody will, but here is the sound U. We actually say it like that. U, U. So here are a few personal pronouns in Russian where we use this sound. Мы, we. Ты, you singular, which is used when we talk to friends. Вы, you plural or you singular respectful when we talk to strangers, maybe people older than us, or in formal settings. So the last challenging letter for today is R. R. This consonant sounds very challenging to many people from different countries because there isn't such a sound in their languages. So it's a tongue-rolling consonant. When we say it, you have to roll your tongue. R. Let's practice with these syllables. Ra, ro, ru, ry. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave your comments down below, subscribe to our channel, and tell us about new ideas for new videos. Until next time, пока-пока!